In the deep, uncharted forests, a legend lurks, a creature of enormous size and immense mystery, Bigfoot. This elusive being, cloaked in folklore and enigma, has captured the imagination of people all over the globe. Is it a remnant of our prehistoric past, a shy forest dweller, or merely a figment of our collective imagination? Tales of Bigfoot, or Sasquatch as it's known in some circles, span generations and continents. From the dense woods of North America to the remote Himalayan ranges, stories of a giant bipedal creature have been whispered around campfires and documented in age-old texts. Sightings, footprints, and even grainy videos have added to the allure, with each account more mystifying than the last. This creature's existence dances on the line between reality and myth, its story intertwined with our own human curiosity and our innate desire for the unknown. So, what exactly is this Bigfoot, and why has its legend endured throughout the years? The story of Bigfoot is as old as the forest it supposedly inhabits. This legendary creature, also known as Sasquatch, has its roots deeply entwined with the folklore of North America. From the misty hills of the Pacific Northwest to the dense forests of the Appalachian Mountains, tales of a towering hair-covered beast have been passed down through generations. The origin of the Bigfoot legend can be traced back to Native American tribes who shared tales of a giant man-like beast that roamed the wilderness. The creature was often described as a symbol of the untamed wild, a reminder of the mysterious and unexplored territories that lay beyond the safety of tribal lands. The term Bigfoot itself came into popular use in the mid-20th century. It was coined following a series of alleged sightings in California, where gigantic footprints were discovered, sparking a media frenzy and cementing the creature's place in popular culture. Over the years, hundreds of people have claimed to have seen Bigfoot. These accounts often describe a large bipedal creature covered in dark fur with a distinctive ape-like face. Some stories recount a shy, elusive creature, while others depict a more menacing figure, capable of terrifying feats of strength. A number of famous Bigfoot sightings have captivated public interest. One of the most notable is the Patterson-Gimlin film from the late 60s. This short footage shows a figure, purported to be Bigfoot, striding across a clearing in a remote forest. Despite extensive analysis and debate, the authenticity of this film remains a matter of contention. The legend of Bigfoot has also inspired countless books, documentaries, and even feature films. It's a phenomenon that has permeated every facet of popular culture, from children's cartoons to serious scientific investigations. This elusive creature has left an indelible mark on popular culture. But is there any truth to this legend? As we delve deeper into the mystery, we'll explore the sightings, the science, and the skeptics in our quest to uncover the truth about Bigfoot. From shadowy figures caught on camera to mysterious footprints in the wilderness, Bigfoot sightings have stirred curiosity and fear alike. Mysterious sightings, often accompanied by grainy images or shaky videos, have been the cornerstone of Bigfoot lore. These sightings span across North America, with a concentration in the Pacific Northwest. The creature, often described as a large, hairy, bipedal humanoid, has been reported to stand between 7 to 9 feet tall. Let's take a journey through some of these accounts. In the late 1960s, an infamous film known as the Patterson-Gimlin footage surfaced. This footage, shot on a 16mm camera, allegedly captured a female Bigfoot striding along a riverbank in Northern California. The creature's confident saunter and the details of its muscular build continue to be a topic of hot debate among enthusiasts and skeptics alike. Then, there are the countless stories of massive footprints. One such incident took place in 1951 when Eric Shipton, a mountaineer, photographed a large footprint in the Himalayan snow. The footprint was about 13 inches long, and it had clear toe marks, not unlike a human's. This photo sparked worldwide interest and fueled the Bigfoot phenomenon. Eyewitness accounts also form a significant part of the Bigfoot narrative. These tales often recount encounters with a creature of immense size, covered in dark matted hair, with a distinctive foul odor. Some report a creature that's more curious than menacing, while others describe terrifying encounters with the creature displaying aggressive behavior. However, it's important to remember that human perception can be influenced by fear and excitement, leading to misinterpretations. A bear standing on its hind legs, or even a person in a suit, could easily be mistaken for the legendary creature in the right circumstances. With countless sightings and tales of encounters, it's easy to see why many believe in Bigfoot's existence. But could there be a more rational explanation? Unraveling the mystery of Bigfoot isn't just about campfire stories and blurry photographs. It's also a journey into the realms of biology, anthropology, and zoology. The scientific community has not been immune to the allure of Bigfoot, with numerous attempts made to explain or validate the creature's existence. Biologists, anthropologists, and zoologists have all taken up the mantle, turning their expertise to the task of dissecting the Bigfoot phenomenon. One area of focus has been the examination of supposed Bigfoot evidence. This includes footprints alleged to be from the creature that have been found in various locations. These footprints are often large, with distinctive characteristics suggesting a primate origin. However, the analysis has been inconclusive, with some experts suggesting they could have been made by known animals or even be the result of elaborate hoaxes. Another aspect of Bigfoot research involves the analysis of hair samples. Over the years, numerous strands of hair have been claimed to belong to the elusive creature. Yet, scientific scrutiny has often revealed these samples to be from more mundane sources, such as bears, dogs, or even humans. Then, of course, there's the video footage. Grainy, shaky, and often indistinct, these videos have nonetheless been pored over by experts in an attempt to discern the truth. Yet, despite the best efforts of video analysts and image enhancement technology, no definitive conclusions have been reached. Biology, anthropology, and zoology all have their part to play in the Bigfoot investigation. They provide tools and methodologies to scrutinize the evidence, to search for the truth behind the tales. But they also remind us of the importance of skepticism and critical thinking, of the need for tangible, verifiable evidence before accepting extraordinary claims. So, while the legend of Bigfoot continues to capture the imagination, science has yet to find the definitive proof that believers crave. The footprints, the hair, the videos, they all tantalize, but they do not confirm. Science has given us tools to investigate the Bigfoot legend, but what does it reveal about the creature's existence? Every myth has a kernel of truth, but when it comes to Bigfoot, how much of the legend holds up under scrutiny? Let's delve into the mystery surrounding this elusive creature, often portrayed as a towering, hairy, bipedal hominid lurking in the wilderness. The question we seek to answer is Bigfoot real, or is it just a figment of our collective imagination, fueled by folklore, misidentifications, and outright hoaxes? First, let's tackle the sightings. Bigfoot sightings have been reported across North America, with a concentration in the Pacific Northwest. Yet, despite numerous sightings, no definitive evidence has been produced. There are no bones, no bodies, no undisputed photographs, and no DNA samples that can be attributed to an unknown primate species. Many sightings can be attributed to misidentifications of known animals. Bears, for instance, can easily be mistaken for Bigfoot, especially when standing on their hind legs. And in low light conditions or from a distance, it's not hard to see how a large, hairy creature could be mistaken for something more mysterious. Next, let's consider the evidence that has been presented over the years. Footprints, for example. There have been countless Bigfoot footprints found, some of them quite impressive in size. But when analyzed by experts, these footprints often reveal inconsistencies. Some show signs of being mechanically made or even manually carved. Others lack the anatomical accuracy one would expect from a real creature's footprint. Then there's the famous Patterson-Gimlin film, a piece of footage showing what appears to be a Bigfoot striding through the woods. This film has been a centerpiece of Bigfoot lore since it was shot in the late 60s. However, many experts, ranging from special effects artists to primatologists, have expressed doubts about its authenticity, suggesting it could be a man in a costume. Hoaxes have also played a significant role in perpetuating the Bigfoot myth. There have been numerous instances where individuals have admitted to faking sightings or evidence, further muddying the waters. And let's not forget the absence of ecological evidence. If Bigfoot were real, there would likely be a substantial population of them to ensure their survival. This would inevitably leave a significant ecological footprint, from feeding habits to habitat disruption, which simply hasn't been observed. Lastly, there's the question of DNA. Despite various claims of Bigfoot hair or tissue samples, none have produced DNA that points to a new, undiscovered primate. While the legend of Bigfoot continues to captivate imaginations worldwide, the evidence, or rather the lack of it, suggests a different story. Perhaps in the end, Bigfoot is more myth than monster,